All right, so that's what the old can lights look like. We're gonna go ahead and switch those out to the new LED. It's gonna take probably 5 minutes. Check it out. So pretty simple to do. You just wanna pull them down, and you got two little hooks. You wanna squeeze them. And they come right out. This little gap. Right here they fit in on both sides. So you pop those out, and then you got two prongs you squeeze together, and it releases. All right, so we're ready to put these in. I did paint the ceiling after I took the old ones out. So I'm gonna show you how to put these in real quick. Like I said, it's less than 5 minutes for one of these can lights. Super simple. All you gotta do is screw the male bulb end right into the female end of your old can light. When I sprayed the ceiling, I did cover these just to be sure nothing got inside there, so we get a good connection. All right, if you notice, you got these little clips. If you took out the old ones, you know right where they're at. They go right in there, open up, push it in, done. All right, so I'm just gonna screw this in. Just like that. Then I kind of found that just kind of set them on the side. Okay, got each side in one of them. Now go with the other. Boom, boom. Make sure nothing's gonna get squished or wedged in between when this goes up. Again, remove all the plastic and paper and tape, whatever you've covered with. And we're gonna do the same thing. Screw it in. One side in, boom. Then it'll rest on that. It can stand by itself. So next one there, make sure nothing's gonna get squished. That goes right up in there. Slide it over so that this little hook catches on that lip. There you go. And up, boom. That quick. You got retrofit LED can lights. Beautiful. Nice, bright. In no time. Each one's probably about $25, so they're a little pricey, but you're gonna save on the energy. They don't use half the power that a regular bulb does. It doesn't heat your room up. It's just a great thing. One thing I'm gonna tell you, I was at Lowe's and saw LED can lights for sale. So I was like, hey, I'm gonna get these. One problem, the light color is in the yellows and orange. The ones up that you're looking at that I just put in are in the daylight, right around 5,000. And those are at 2,700 as far as light. So if you want a soft light, go with the soft white. If you want a nice daylight, bright lights, go with the daylight 5,000. All right, so got those last 4 in the great room here. Let's click that on and see what it's gonna look like. Oh yeah, loving it. Nice and bright white, not yellow. If you're like me, I like bright, not yellow. I don't want to see everything yellow. I want to see natural light. All right, guys, I wanted to get a quick shot of the difference between the lumens. The one on the bottom is the soft white, which has a lot of yellow in it. The one at the top is the daylight white, which is like natural light. You make the call on what you like best. Let me know in the comments which one you're gonna use on your can lights. I went with the daylight. Hope this was helpful. Oh, let me show you the box. Like I said, I went to Lowe's and saw these for $19. I was like, what a bargain, LED lights, awesome. But the problem is soft white, yellowish. There's a gauge. That's what this one is, 2700K. The ones I'm using are in the daylight range at 5000K. Want to give you another quick tip I learned. On the soft white, they have these kind of brackets that bend and kind of go in the can light. I really didn't like these. I like the ones that go just like the old can lights, right in the little slots. The one with the bright daylight came with either, you can go either way. You can add the brackets like the soft white, the yellowish one, or you can use the ones like my can light. Yours might be different, so you can go either way. These came from homedepot.com. I'm going to leave a link in the description so you can get the same ones that I used if you liked how those look. The other one I got at Lowe's. All right, so there's the difference. There's the bright white, daylight. No yellow, all natural light, bright white. It is pretty bright, so I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I got a special dimmer switch for LEDs, so I'm going to be installing a dimmer switch so they can be dimmed down at night or whatever. I already put a dimmer on these. In case you want to get the bright white daylight, natural light, you can dim it down so it's not bright all the time, but if you need light, you got it. I like that. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something, so when you go to replace your can lights with some retrofit LEDs, makes it a lot easier. So if you like the video, hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. I'm doing all kinds of videos, tips and tricks from drywall, texturing, painting. So if you got a question, hit me up on YouTube here, and we'll see you.